Hi guys, just another random item off Thingiverse. Oh dear, I've just broken his head. He's a bit thinner than I intended him to be. Gosh, that is thin. I think we're going to be needing a bit of super glue there. Well, that was a surprise. I have printed it on the one of the lowest settings, so that probably accounts for that. You're going to need to do a bit of glue in there. Sorry mate, pulled your head off. I've split your body. Now I think one of the problems there is I should have printed it in Vase mode, I believe it's called. And I don't even know if I've got that option. Still, we'll glue him back together. I've got another one to try in a minute. Well, there you go. If you print one of them, don't grab it and try and pull it off the build plate. Lift it up from the bottom. Link to the Thingiverse files in the video description. Well, he looks like fun anyway. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.